In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch companies on QuickBooks Online. If you're managing multiple businesses or clients, QuickBooks Online provides a seamless way to toggle between different company files without the hassle of logging out and back in. This feature saves time, reduces errors, and allows you to focus on your work efficiently. Let's break down the steps to make this process as straightforward as possible. First, navigate to the QuickBooks Online website by opening your preferred web browser and entering the QuickBooks Online web address. Once the homepage loads, click the Sign In button located at the top right corner. Enter the email address and password associated with your QuickBooks Online account carefully. Using the correct credentials is essential, as entering incorrect details may result in a failed login. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, have your device ready to receive the verification code. Once logged in, locate the gear icon at the top right corner of your dashboard. This icon opens the settings menu where you have access to various account tools. For switching companies, select the Switch Company option. QuickBooks Online supports multiple businesses, but remember each company requires its own subscription. If you've been granted access by another user, you can manage these companies from one central hub. After selecting Switch Company, a list of all accessible companies will appear. Scroll carefully and select the company you want to access. QuickBooks Online will instantly shift to that company's dashboard, allowing you to continue work seamlessly without logging out. This functionality is especially useful for accountants or business managers handling bookkeeping for multiple clients or entities. Here's a tip. Keep a list of your company names and associated QuickBooks credentials handy to avoid confusion when switching frequently. Also, regularly check for any pending updates in QuickBooks Online, as updates can improve navigation and make switching between companies faster. By following these steps, you can efficiently switch between multiple companies in QuickBooks Online, saving time and minimizing workflow interruptions. This feature allows you to focus on the specific tasks and reports needed for each business. Mastering it will enhance your productivity and ensure smooth financial management across different organizations. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. I hope this guide helps you navigate QuickBooks Online with ease, streamline your accounting tasks, and manage multiple companies efficiently. Stay tuned for more practical tips and tutorials to get the most out of QuickBooks Online.